A lot of times when I'm walking through trains or in the buses or everything, I see Estonians looking at me like I look so different from normal Estonians, and I see that there is a smile when I'm from them, even though it's very faint. And I think they're acknowledging the fact that I am here and I am braving the winter and the darkness and everything. Everything that Estonia brings you, even the things which on the outright seem very negative, you can get to turn them to your own benefit if you look at them, if you have a very good mindset. This is my first experience with the design and form and arts, and it has been very enlightening because engineers don't really know about this stuff the way designers know. We don't know about form or aesthetics or color. We just have the idea that, okay, if you're given a problem, we're going to make a product or something that is going to solve the problem. So it's more like a hammer and a nail approach. But the best output of this degree is that you get to learn how can you work in teams exactly. And that is a very essential skill in this world for the future, because we know that the teams will be multidisciplinary and multicultural. And that is something that this program teaches you, and also how to communicate your idea effectively in any form, whether it's a presentation or written or a video. That is what this program is going to teach you, and that it does really well. I mean, I can feel the difference from the day I came here to my final thesis presentation and how I have grown in all that time. These values or these skills that they teach you about team building, conflict resolution, these are not mentioned anywhere. And I think that for future and for the current scenario where the world is going, becoming more and more smaller, I think it's very necessary that you at least have one experience where you get to work in such different environment outside of your comfort zone.